Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I don't know which brand is this from, so let's see. It really didn't say any name, and let's open it and see what it is. So exciting. So dun, 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 let's see, what is this? Oh, it says Youth Skincare. I can't. Oh, this is from Octoly. Okay, wow, this is weird. They never said it like this type of way. Okay, so this is from Youth Skincare. So alright, this is cool. I've never tried this brand before. So this is how the box looks. Ooh, okay, this is their anti-age night cream, which I need. I'm trying to get anti-aging products and start now that I'm in my mid-20s, because you're supposed to start anti-aging like right now, like when you're 21, because it's not gonna work as much whenever you're already old. Like, there's no point basically. So I mean, you can still wear it, but it's not really gonna help, you know, but whatever. So yay, it's so small and tiny. It looks cute. Okay, so this one has anti-pollution and it intensively nourishes, so I need this because where I live, oh my gosh. So this is dermatologist tested and it's 100% natural. So wow, it says literally all these things. It has a lot of benefits here. So it's vegan, anti-redness, colorant free, soothing effect, antioxidant shield, anti-pollution, hypoallergenic. And literally everything that I need for my sensitive skin, they have it. So I'm so excited because we hope this doesn't react badly to me. Okay. Ooh, this smells like something I smelled before. It smells really good, pretty strong, but not bad. It's just like, hold my skin. Reacts well because of the scent is alarming me right now. But it smells like something like Nivea. No, like something, I think men have used this before. It smells like, I don't know, like a perfume or cologne. I don't know. It smells really good. So like I said in my old Dermy video, I have like these tiny bumps all over my arm and hand after using those creams, and I just gave them away. So I'm kind of scared to use this now and swatch it here, but let me kind of, okay, it just looks like, it looks pretty cool. Okay, so smells like really good, like a perfume. But oh my gosh, my skin is not as sensitive here as supposed to here, so I'm testing it out. Right, somebody's calling me. Wait a minute. Oh, it's spam. Never mind. Okay, so ooh, so it just has a lot of benefits. I'm so excited for this one. Oh, it's made in Switzerland. That's pretty cool. So usually everything's made from like Asia or US or Australia, but not Switzerland. That's pretty cool. So have y'all tried this brand? This is new to me. This is for all skin types, so that's pretty nice. Alright. Oh, I like that it says this for all women and men, because usually brands just say women, but this is for men too. So y'all still try, y'all can still use this. Alright, any skincare is not specifically gender related, but it's pretty cool that they added men. They usually don't. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. So yeah, I can't wait to do a swatch. Never mind, I'm not gonna use it on my face. I just put skincare. I thought this was gonna be makeup, but anyways, well, thank you Youth Skincare and Octoly for gifting me this. So excited to use this. Okay, yeah. Bye, thanks for watching.